Do you like your job?
I do like my job.
What do you like about your job?
I like taking care of little kids. I love the elementary age. They're so cute. They're so naive. They're sweet. They're tenderhearted. For the most part, they don't try to manipulate you. Um, and you can comfort them fairly easily.
Do you miss seeing them as often as you used to?
I do.
For the first time in several months, students returned to the classroom in some school systems today.
It's the first time for in-person learning since March for students in Johnson City, Kingsport, and Greenville City schools.
There's been a lot of debate over whether or not schools should open in the middle of the pandemic. In some states in the South, the new school year has already started.
My job has changed in the fact that about 90 to 95% of my day is COVID related in some form or fashion. You know, my door is locked. They have to ask to come to the clinic. They can't just pop in because I do have to maintain those social distancing procedures. I definitely had real fears before this school season started in August. The information that we were getting from our health department, it was changing almost daily. The guidelines, the procedures to follow, what to do when you have a sick student. You know, you're almost afraid if I make one mistake, if I forget to put my gloves on, or if I get too close without my mask on, am I going to get COVID, and then am I going to bring it home to my family?
Vaccination of teachers is not a prerequisite for safe reopening of schools.
I know there are teachers listening, and the CDC has said they don't have to be vaccinated to go back to school.
We think they should be a
priority.
We think they should be a priority.
As a healthcare professional, I was at the top of the list to receive the vaccine, and actually teachers were a couple of segments down. Teachers should be prioritized. We have teachers of all ages. We have teachers that are pregnant, teachers who teach students who are 16, 17, 18 years old, and they definitely transmit the virus. It's been a lot to take in. It's been a lot to get used to. You know, I've done this job for more than 10 years, and at the beginning of the school year, it almost felt like I didn't know what I was doing at all. I definitely feel relieved coming to work knowing that I'm fully vaccinated, not just coming to work, but getting out in public again. Vaccination is the key to returning to normalcy in our school systems today.